It's me again. What am I doing in this video? I'm trying to take a magnetic chuck apart. Hello folks, what am I doing? I have this magnetic chuck that it's got a little bit of a stuck problem. So I'm going to attempt to take the screws out if I can get this thing around here. I got an acetylene torch, but it's out of gas. So I'm going to try to just use some propane just to heat it up. Doesn't have to be too hot, does it? Right. Come on. There we go. Here we go. I do know this is gonna basically be like a giant cold sink. I should do this in the, probably in the summer with a real torch. See the condensation. I'm guessing it's so cold in here, this thing's like a giant heat sink. It's not even gonna penetrate. But you know what? We have to try, right? I should get an acetylene torch and try this because it'll heat it up a lot better. Nope. I should just drill these damn things out. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. I bet we'll drill them out. This is not going to work. I know it. I could just machine the damn thing out, but we'll try one. There we go. Will it get hot enough? I don't know. Will this work? Who knows? Who knows? Let me just play with this thing. Oop. I know what I say, if you knock on it, might help, whatever. I don't know. Maybe I'll drill these damn things out. I don't know. I tried. I should just give up on this for now. I should just give up on it. Anyway, these got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 screws. I do not think these are ever coming up, but I could dream. Actually, wait. Let's put some wait. Before I put penetrating, before I do that, this up here, this up here. Clean the holes up. Get all the dirt and the grime in there. It's still warm. There's a lot of grime in this thing. Need a better brush. A better brush. There's a lot of scummy stuff in there. Oh, and if you're wondering what this is, this is a magnetic chuck. I could send it up to get serviced, but I just want to open up for now. If I can get it to work. It's probably corroded inside. I could buy a new one for $100 on Amazon, but I like these old things. Let's put some juice inside the holes now. I'm going to let this sit here for about a week or so. This stuff I'm using is this stuff. It works pretty damn good. Anyway, I will get back on this project and show you what I'm doing and continue another day. So, thanks for watching. Click some buttons down there and enjoy.